To use second space on Xiaomi 17T Pro, open the settings for the first and right now navigate for additional settings. Over here, just go for a second space. There we go. Click to turn it on. Now it's going to create it. So what it does, basically, you will get two different accounts on this phone. The same like you have, one PC in your family, and there's like a multiple accounts for your parents, for yourself, for your brothers, sisters. Now you can select the switch between spaces. You can use a shortcut or a password. For me, just a simple shortcut. I don't want to set a password, but if you want, you can do this. And take a look. Right now, you can just set up everything, change wallpaper, manage home screen, remove and add applications, and it will only stay with this specific account. If you want to make a switch, you are clicking just here. You can verify with the screen lock passwords or fingerprint. And now as you can see, after a few seconds, we are back in the main account with some different applications, wallpaper, and the home screen layout.